Imagine stepping into a world where the open road meets the height of luxury, where every mile feels like a five-star getaway, and where your home travels with you in unmatched style. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement, a dream on wheels. And once you see what's inside, you won't be able to look away. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to show you will change the way you think about travel forever. Welcome to this luxurious motorhome YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the stunning Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and design that blends the rugged power of a semi-truck with the elegance of a luxury residence. From the outside, its multi-story structure, cream-colored sleek exterior, rounded and rectangular windows, wooden doors, balconies, and rooftop terrace make it look like a futuristic mansion on wheels. Every curve, every detail is crafted to turn heads wherever it goes. Now let's step inside and start with the TV lounge area. This is not just a place to sit, it's an experience. The space opens up with a grand double-sided staircase curving down from the upper level, framing the lounge like a scene from a luxury villa. On both sides above, you'll see elegant doors leading to the upper floor, while below, a massive flat-screen TV proudly displays Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Plush, cream-colored sofas with matching throw pillows are arranged in a semicircle, inviting you to sink in and relax. Warm ambient lighting from ceiling fixtures and hidden LEDs creates a cozy yet upscale atmosphere. The wooden finishes, panoramic windows, and open layout make it clear. This is not just a motorhome, it's a luxury residence on wheels. From there, we move into the bedroom. At the center is a king-sized bed dressed in crisp white linens and a beige quilted bedspread, with plush pillows propped against a cushioned headboard. Above the bed, the name Kenworth glows in elegant illuminated lettering, a reminder of the brand's prestige. Rounded panoramic windows with wooden frames bring in natural light, while recessed ceiling lights and warm-toned lamps create a romantic, inviting glow. Built-in storage, rich wood paneling, and premium finishes make this bedroom feel like a private suite in a five-star hotel. Only this one moves with you. Next, the kitchen area. This is where practicality meets luxury. Premium wooden cabinetry with polished countertops, open shelving, and modern built-in appliances make cooking a pleasure. On one prominent shelf, the word Kenworth is displayed in stylish metallic lettering. The central island is set with gourmet dishes, fresh fruits, and drinks ready to serve. Overhead cabinets reveal neatly organized plates, glasses, and cookware. Warm under-cabinet lighting and panoramic windows keep the space bright and inviting. This is not just a kitchen, it's a chef's dream on the road. Now let's step into the bathroom. Inspired by five-star hotel design, it features marble floors and walls with subtle veining, gold-accented fixtures, and a spacious glass-enclosed walk-in shower. A freestanding bathtub sits beneath a rounded panoramic window, and above the double vanity, Kenworth is elegantly illuminated. Plush towels, luxury toiletries, and warm ambient lighting make this space feel like a spa retreat. Every element is designed for comfort, style, and indulgence. Moving forward, we arrive at the driver's cabin, the command center of this luxury machine. The captain's seat is upholstered in premium leather with diamond stitching, offering maximum comfort for long drives. The dashboard combines polished wood and brushed aluminum, housing advanced digital displays, navigation systems, and a rear-view monitor for reversing. The steering wheel proudly bears the Kenworth name, and ambient LED lighting adds a modern touch. Large panoramic windows give the driver a commanding view of the road ahead, making every journey as enjoyable as the destination. Before we wrap up, let me just say, this motorhome is more than transportation. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a dream realized. Whether you're parked by the ocean, in the mountains, or cruising down the highway, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome turns every trip into a luxury escape. On the outside, its bold design and towering presence make it stand out from anything else on the road. Built by Kenworth, a name synonymous with quality and durability, this motorhome commands a premium price. reflecting the craftsmanship, technology, and luxury packed into every inch. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment in between. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this tour of the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible luxury motorhome content. And in the comments, tell us the name of your favorite motorhome so we can feature it in a future video.